I accidentally left a cup of water on my coffee table overnight and it left a ring. I don't know how to get it off. I've tried waxing it with my pledge and wiping and wiping and wiping and nothing's getting it up. I need your help, Wendy Woo.
Roving reporter, Wendy. I'm on the scene of an accident, a water accident, and I have the remedy. Mayonnaise. What? Come on, let's go find out how to fix this. The victim, the coffee table. The ring, right there in between those two sunbursts. Let's see if we can figure out how to get it out.
Got a bag of tricks here for what works best for a stain that's left by a glass of water or whatever that you've forgotten to put a coaster under and all that sweat's come down and left a mark on your table. So let's take a look at number one. Number one, just some furniture oil. Just some furniture oil, and you'll spray it around and get a good puddle, if you will, on that ring. Let it sit for about an hour, and then you'll wipe it. It may take 2 or 3 tries to get it to fix the situation, but furniture oil is a good way to start. If you don't have furniture oil, you know what the next best thing is? Baby oil or olive oil. So you do the same thing with olive oil. Make a little ring around the ring, rub it in, let it sit for about an hour, and then buff and see what happens. Another one, again, if there were a farmer's almanac for old wives' tales, this guy's gonna be in it. This is our hero. Mayonnaise. Why? Mayonnaise is made with oil. It's got a lot of oil in it, a lot of moisturizer. I mean, people put it in their hair too to condition it. So anyway, this is our hero. So we're gonna try mayonnaise. But before we do any of those things, we're gonna try tip number one, which is get your hairdryer with the nozzle on low heat and just move it around and around and around that stain. So I'm gonna get some close-ups of the stain, get some action shots of me doing the blow dryer first. We'll see if that'll take care of it, fingers crossed. If not, we'll move on to mayonnaise. That guy is right here. The first thing we want to do is just put it on low heat. There's also some marks down the side here that may or may not be the same kind of issue. So let's just go ahead while we're working this. Go ahead and keep going. The hairdryer did take care of the watermark, but there are a couple other spots on here that proving to be a little bit more difficult. So we are going to move on to step 2, which is to put a little bit of mayonnaise on there and let it sit for a little bit. So you're gonna see me next put the dollop of mayonnaise, and then the mayonnaise has to sit for at least 30 minutes. So we got some time. Let's put that mayonnaise on and then I'll come right back to you. Here we go. So now what we need to do is rub a small circular motion. Probably went a little overboard on the mayonnaise, you don't need to use this much. I just wanted to show you, in extra form. But seriously, just a little dollop will do ya. All right, so here we go. Just gonna start rubbing in small circular motions with the clean, dry cloth. This is just an old handkerchief. Okay, we've wiped off all the mayonnaise. And now the next step I'm going to do is I just have a nice dusting cloth, and I'm just going to give the whole table a good rub, and then we'll check in with the homeowner and see what she thinks about the table. All right? All right, so we're all set. Let's check in with our homeowner and see what she thinks of her table.
Well, as the owner of said coffee table, I am so excited. It looks amazing, and I am very, very finicky, and I would have noticed that stain every time I sat down and looked at my coffee table. Thank you so much for fixing this problem for me, Wendy.
Yay! Problem solved.
Yay!
Yay! All right, thank you very much for asking for my help.